Hello, welcome to Lakmé Academy Chennai. This is Ramya. I am one of the makeup faculties here. Alright, இப்போ வந்துட்டு வீட்ல இருந்து கிளம்புறப்போ I mean ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு வர்றப்போ we'll just do simple makeup and come, right? அப்படி வர்றப்போ வந்துட்டு எதுக்கு சிம்பிளா பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா we'll be coming in traffic, we'll be having our mask and also the shawl வந்துட்டு வச்சு கவர் பண்ணிட்டு வந்திருப்போம். And இங்க வந்துட்டு like we have to do little bit of touch up, right? Why? Because we'll be removing it, like கலஞ்சிருக்கலாம், ஒரு ஸ்வெட்டா இருக்கும். I'll show you how to do makeup in like 5 to 10 minutes. நான் வந்துட்டு வீட்டில் mostly makeup போட்டு வர மாட்டேன். Why? Because I'll be sweating a lot. So I'll just do my CTM with sunscreen and lip balm. இங்கே வந்துட்டு just ஒரு 5 to 10 minutes I have time. Before going to my cabin, I'll show you how to do the like normal day makeup look. So நம்ம மேக்கப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி we have to check whether our face is like well moisturized. So என்னோட face வந்துட்டு it is like thoroughly moisturized and also I have lip balm on. Before starting the makeup, we have to do a little bit of primer. So adukku vandu I'm going to use a fixer. Okay, wow, this is again a primer, I mean a toner and also a fixer. I'm using this from MAC. Just a little bit of sprinkle. Let it soak. And vandu na excess ah irukradha I'm just tapping it and spreading it all over my skin. Actually I like hydration, okay va. So எனக்கு வந்துட்டு I don't like little bit of dry ஆனாலுமே எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. So நான் வந்துட்டு even if I am moisturized, instead of using a gel primer, I just need little bit of hydration. So and this also gives little bit of dew to the face. Yeah, so I think so it's done. After this I'm just going to use my concealer. So this is from LA Girl. And இது வந்துட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this was hype actually. Yeah, this is actually very good concealer, everyday concealer, everyone can use, and also on the affordable range, even office going or college going girls or school girls. இப்போ ஸ்கூல் போகிற பசங்களும் வந்துட்டு they're doing makeup la, so for them it is like nice, very good brand also. So I'm just taking little bit. எனக்கு எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் வேணுமோ just under the eyes, little bit of makeup only. ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு you can't do la. Even if you put lot of makeup, that also won't look good. So just little bit. Now highlighting area la mattum na I am applying the concealer. And எனக்கு எங்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு if I feel like எனக்கு எங்கெல்லாம் pigmentation இருக்குதோ, I also take little bit of concealer over there. Just basically little bit. And as you see, I'm going to blend it properly, just buffing it. Not blending too much. Because if you blend it too much, also the coverage won't be there. எனக்கு வந்துட்டு என்னோட ஃபேஸில் ஜஸ்ட் டிண்ட் இருந்தால் போதும். Because I don't feel like I have that much of complex. So depends on the skin type. If you're having a lot of skin issues, then I just suggest you to go for CC or BB cream. No need to buy a concealer. And last I'm coming to the under eye because I just want little bit of coverage over here. So கொஞ்ச நேரம் வந்துட்டு if I'm soaking the product, I'll get little bit extra coverage. And under eye illa I'm just doing it in the patting motion. Swipe பண்ணீங்கனா coverage இருக்காது. எனக்கு இங்க வந்துட்டு I want coverage in my under eye area. So yeah, just tapping it. And also நான் இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட்டை கொஞ்சம் இங்கே லிஃப்ட் பண்ணி கொண்டு போகிறேன். Why? Because இங்கே தான் எல்லாருக்குமே ஹாலோஸ் இருக்குது. So that area should be like brightened up. I think it's more than enough. It will look like நம்ம மேக்கப் போட்ட மாதிரியும் இருக்காது, போடாத மாதிரி இருக்காது. So just a simple day makeup. So I'm just closing it. If you want little bit extra coverage, you can also use like one more concealer, brightening concealer. அது வந்து என்னோட exact shade. Just a little bit brighten up பண்றதுக்கு I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. Just little extra. Just to give that brightness to the face. I think this is more than enough. Yeah. And little bit in inge vandu I have pigmentation, so anga I'm applying it. Same starting from the chin. So this gives little extra coverage. Just finish this area. And this is a concealer brush for your reference. And finally, to the under eye area. Under eye area la na brighten பண்றப்போ I didn't like go towards, I mean ரொம்ப inner corner la na போகல. எனக்கு எங்க brightness வேணுமோ லைட்டா அங்க மட்டும் you can just apply within 2 or 3 minutes. I think so. I'm running out of time. So pat பண்ணிட்டு take that concealer towards the end of your eye. I think so it is, yeah, it is blended little bit over here and also just on my brow bone. I think so, yeah, it's done. So as you can see the brightness under my eye, and baaki ulla area it is like naturally contour aidum. Yes. And after this I don't like to put powder. எனக்கு வந்துட்டு இப்போ நான் ரொம்ப minimal coverage கொடுத்திருக்கேன், so எனக்கு creaseம் ஆகாது. I'm not a powder kind of person. எனக்கு வந்துட்டு face dewy இருந்தா பிடிக்கும். Just so it will set as it is. After this just I'm going to use lipstick. This will go as my eyeshadow and also my blush and also my lipstick. Okay, I'm just using my lipstick. Romba podla, just I'm like giving tint only, kind of coral shade, because day makeup you don't need that much of lipstick also, just tint mari irundal nalla da irukum. Or if you want coverage you can also like go back and forth with, and excess vandittu sides la எடுத்துருங்க. So you have to look neat, and I'm just taking little bit, otherwise I'm going to give as my eyeshadow, because I like a little bit of tint on my lids. You can use this hack also, and it is also not going to dry your eyelid area, and it is going to be like dewy and also matte as well, like demi matte finish irukum. So yeah, and little bit of this to my cheeks, because I also love that blushed look, using my fingers only, and little bit on my tip of my nose, because I like that fresh look. So எல்லாமே blended irukkan paathukonga, please note that there is no patch. So yeah, we have added that tint to our face, and eyes and eyebrows are like statement to your face. You also have to look into that. So நீங்க eyebrow எனக்கு பண்ண பிடிக்கல, இல்ல வந்துட்டு காஜல் போட பிடிக்கலனா you can just go with the mascara, which is, I'm just a mascara person. I don't like to go back like with kajal போட்டுட்டு. No, sometimes I also use lens, so I don't like using kajal and all. So just mascara is fine. So just see, I'm like first நான் வந்துட்டு மேல ஒரு கோட் கொடுக்கிறேன், ஓகேவா? So மேல கொடுக்கறப்ப you'll get that extra coverage to your lashes, and also the other eye. So இது வந்துட்டு yeah, மேல லைட்டா வந்துட்டு you'll be having that mascara ஓட trace ஒட்டி இருக்கும், just அது காயறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா it will be fine. And கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா ஒரு 10 seconds விட்டுட்டு if you go with the second coat கீழ இருந்து கொடுக்கிறேன், so that see my lashes how wispy and long it looks. எனக்கு கீழேயும் வந்துட்டு மஸ்காரா போட பிடிக்கும், because I just want that wispy lash look. எனக்கு வந்துட்டு ஐப்ரோ வந்துட்டு ப்ராப்பராக தான் இருக்குது, ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு லைக் ஃபில் இட் லைக் எக்ஸ்ட்ராவாக நான் ஃபில் பண்ண அவசியம் இல்லை. ஸோ நான் மஸ்காரா போட்டதில் பாக்கி இருக்கிறத ஜஸ்ட் ஐ எம் கிவிங் இட். ஆஸ் யூ கேன் see, it is like also combing my eyebrows, and it is giving little bit of coverage to my eyebrow also. So I like that lifted brow look. So within 2 or 3 minutes like இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெண்டு or 2 or 3 products வச்சிட்டு you can just complete your makeup. And finally like I'm just going a little bit with my concealer brush, just to make sure that everything is like blended properly. So this look actually is like no makeup look. Ninga vandu if someone is like even close to you, they won't detect the makeup. I think you agree. Yes, if idla vandu you can add lash, I mean like you can add eyeliner போட்டுக்கலாம், or if you want to add kajal then it is also fine, like depends on your mood and need. So yeah, just going to open my hair, just set it a little bit. And final touch up you can use like little bit of setting spray also, just using the same MAC thing, just little bit extra long la vechu just done. So I love MAC's this one. Why? Because like it gives that dewy look, and in the morning I don't use highlighter and all. Why? Because already my skin is dewy, it will give that shiny evlo venumo, it will give. I think we are done. And if you want to add a little bit of jewelry, it's totally up to you. I like to go to my office like this only. I think my makeup is set. As you can see, it's like dewy, and also like I have given a little bit of coverage. I think so this will be very, very useful for you. In the hack one, that if you like, please like our video and please subscribe, and also click the bell button so that you'll get the solid notifications. And yeah, I think I'm done, so I'm just going to do my work. Bye, see you later.